Welcome back to Building Successful IT Teams, a Leader's Guide. In Chapter 11, we'll explore the critical process of measuring the success and impact of your IT team. As your team grows and evolves, it's essential to define and track key performance indicators, demonstrate IT's value to the organization, and adjust strategies based on performance data. Let's dive in. Key performance indicators provide essential metrics that help assess how effectively your IT team is performing and how their work supports the broader goals of the business. KPIs offer a clear view of what's working, what needs improvement, and how the team impacts overall organizational success. Identifying relevant KPIs. The first step in defining KPIs is ensuring they are aligned with both IT's objectives and the organization's strategic goals. Some common IT KPIs include system uptime and availability. This measures the percentage of time systems and networks are operational. Incident response time. How quickly the team addresses and resolves issues impacts business continuity. Service request resolution rate. A high resolution rate reflects the team's efficiency in addressing user concerns. Setting benchmarks and targets. Once you've identified your KPIs, establish realistic benchmarks based on past performance, industry standards, or business expectations. These targets should have challenged the team but also be achievable. For example, increasing system uptime from 97% to 99% over the next year sets a clear and motivating goal. Tracking KPIs over time. Regularly review these metrics, monthly, quarterly, or annually, to track progress. Use visualization tools like dashboards to monitor trends and spot potential problems early. For instance, if incident response times are increasing, you can investigate the root cause and address it before it becomes a bigger issue. By defining and tracking the right KPIs, IT leaders can ensure their teams are performing efficiently and driving value for their organization. IT has become more than just a support function. It's now a strategic partner in business success. As an IT leader, it's important to demonstrate how your team contributes to organizational goals, driving innovation, operational efficiency, and growth. Aligning IT with business objectives. Your IT team's projects should be directly connected to the company's strategic goals. Whether your team is streamlining internal processes, improving customer experience, or enabling digital innovation, each initiative must align with the business's overall mission. Regular collaboration with business leaders ensures IT remains an integral part of the organization's growth strategy. Quantifying IT's contributions. To showcase the tangible impact of IT, quantify contributions with data-driven metrics. For example, automating a business process might save significant time and resources, which can be translated into cost savings. Demonstrating user adoption rates or revenue generated from a new digital product helps convey the value of IT initiatives in terms that business stakeholders understand. Communicating impact through case studies. Storytelling is a powerful way to illustrate IT's value. Use case studies to highlight successful projects, such as cloud migration that reduced costs and increased scalability, or a cybersecurity initiative that protected the organization from a potential breach. These stories should be shared across the company to help all departments understand how IT supports the business. By aligning IT with business goals, quantifying contributions, and communicating effectively, IT leaders can ensure their teams are seen as indispensable to the organization's success. In the fast-moving IT landscape, data-driven decision-making is key to maintaining high performance. Performance data offers insights into how the team is functioning and helps inform necessary strategic adjustments. Analyzing KPIs. Regularly reviewing your team's KPIs such as uptime, project delivery time, or user satisfaction helps identify trends and areas for improvement. Ask critical questions. Are projects consistently delayed? Is the team meeting service level agreements? Are customer satisfaction scores rising or falling? These insights allow you to pinpoint areas for adjustment. Identifying root cause of underperformance. If the data highlights areas where the team is underperforming, it's essential to dig deeper and identify the root causes. For example, if project deadlines are being missed, determine whether it's due to inadequate training or stretched resources. Addressing the true source of the problem leads to more effective solutions. Aligning adjustments with business goals. Any adjustments to your strategy must be made in the context of the organization's broader goals. If the company is focusing on innovation, for instance, you may need to shift resources towards R&D. If cost savings are the priority, you may adjust your strategy to improve efficiency and reduce expenses. Implementing agile and iterative changes. Strategy adjustments should be agile, allowing for flexibility and course corrections as new data emerges. Small, iterative changes enable the team to test, refine, and scale improvements without overwhelming resources or disrupting ongoing projects. Involve the team in adjustments. Performance data is most effective when the team is involved in the adjustment process. Encourage open dialogue about the data and the potential solutions. When team members contribute to the decision-making process, they're more likely to embrace changes and work towards long-term improvement. Data-driven strategy adjustments help ensure that your team continuously evolves and adapts to the needs of the organization. Measuring the success and impact of your IT team is a vital part of sustaining growth and driving value. By defining relevant KPIs, demonstrating IT's contribution to the broader organization, and adjusting strategies based on performance data, you can ensure that your IT team remains a key enabler of success. A proactive approach to measurement and continuous improvement positions your team and your organization for long-term success. Thank you for listening to Chapter 11 of Building Successful IT Teams, a Leader's Guide. In our final chapter, we'll explore what the future holds for IT teams and how you can prepare for the next wave of technological changes. Stay tuned. For deeper insights into the topics covered in this video, or for topics covered elsewhere in this book, or in the other valuable resources in the Ken Lentz IT Management Coaching Series, click on the link below to access them on Amazon.